Hello everyone, welcome to Sai Niketan online classes. In our previous class, we are discussing about exercise 6.5. So in this class, let us discuss the remaining questions. So in that fourth question, prove the following functions do not have the maxima or minimum, right? So for these functions, we have to prove these functions do not having any maxima or minimum. We already know that. So maxima and minima of a functions are exist at the critical points or where f dash of x does not exist, right? So for these functions, we have to show these functions are do not having any maxima or minima means we have to show that these functions do not having any critical points, right? So for this, so I will take the first one. So the first one is f of x is equal to e raised to x, right? Now we are differentiating this. So here we are getting f dash of x equal to e raised to x, right? Now to get the critical point, to get the critical point, put f dash of x equal to 0. So for any function to get the critical point, we should substitute f dash of x equal to 0. Therefore here, if f dash of x equal to 0, then here what we are getting? So clearly here we are getting e raised to x equal to 0, right? So but e raised to x equal to 0, but it is not possible. But it is not possible because we know that exponential function never assumes its value equal to 0. So therefore e raised to x equal to 0, but it is not possible. So therefore not possible for any x belongs to R. So for any value of x that belongs to the real number, e raised to x equal to 0, it is not possible. So therefore it means that there is no critical point. There is no critical point. Is it right? So no critical point means f has no maxima or no minima. So why this function is not having any maxima or minima? So because here for this function we are not getting any critical point. So if for this function we are not getting critical point means automatically that function do not have any maxima or minimum. Okay, so go to the next question. Second. Okay. Okay, second one is that is f of x equal to log x. Of x equal to log x. Again for this function we have to show that there is no critical point. And also here you should remember log x is defined only for positive value of x. So that is x belongs to x more than 0, right? So now we will differentiate this one. So here we are getting f dash of x equal to 1 by x. So to get the critical point, put f dash of x equal to 0. To get the critical point, we have to substitute f dash of x equal to 0. So again here I will write if f dash of x equal to 0, then what is the answer? 0 is equal to 1 by x, right? 0 equal to 1 by x. Again it is not possible, but it is not possible. For any x belongs to R. So here you take any value of x, so that 1 by x that is equal to 0 is not possible. So it means that no critical points, right? So no critical point means so clearly f has no maxima or minimum. Is it right? So clearly again this function do not having any maxima or minima. That is due to this one. So or otherwise just have to take this x to this side. So here what you are getting 0 equal to 1. 0 equal to 1, again it is not possible. So 0 is not equal to 1. So therefore, for this function also we are not getting the critical point, hence no maximum or minimum. Okay. We'll go to the next question, third question. Third question is, that is f of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Now I have to differentiate this one. F dash of x equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus here it is 2x plus differentiation of x is 1 and the differentiation of 1 is 0. Again, to get the critical point we have to substitute f dash of x equal to 0. So therefore here what we are getting? So here we are getting 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So now it is in the form of quadratic equation where x plus 1 equal to 0. So here we are going to find the critical point. The critical points are there, then that function is having maximum or minimum. There is no critical point means that function do not have any maximum or minimum. So therefore here what is the value of a? 3. What is the value of b? 2. What is the value of c? 1. So therefore here I will apply minus b plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac divided by how much? 2a. Okay. At x equal to minus of b means 2 plus or minus b square means 4 minus of 4 into a means 3 into c means 1 divided by 2 into 3. Is it right? So simplify this one. So here what we are getting x equal to minus of 2 plus or minus root 8 divided by 6. Okay, right. So here you should observe. So here we are getting the root of negative number. Root of negative number. So root of negative number means that does not belong to set of real number. So here we are getting the complex number. So clearly this does not belong to R. Right? So x is not a real number. X is not a real number means so clearly no critical point. Right? No critical point. No critical point means f has no maximum or minimum. Right? So suppose if you are getting the root of positive number, then clearly x belongs to the set of real number. But here we are getting the root of negative number and does not belong to real number. Hence no critical point. Hence no maximum or minimum. Okay. Okay. Next fifth question. Find the absolute maximum value and the absolute minimum value of these functions. Right. So we already discussed about the local maxima and local minima. And to find the local maxima and local minima, we are using the second derivative test. And to find the absolute maxima and absolute minima. So absolute maxima is nothing but, so here I will write absolute maxima. So absolute maxima is equal to maximum of f of a, f of b, and f of c1, f of c2, and so on. Right? So similarly, absolute minima is equal to minimum of f of a, f of b, f of c1, f of c2, and so on. Absolute maxima means the maximum value of all the functional values of a given function at the critical points, including the end points. Right? And absolute minima means this is the least value of the function at each critical points and also including the end points. Right? So to find the absolute maximum, first you should find all the functional values for each critical values. And also you have to take the functional values at the end point and choose which one is maximum. It is called absolute maximum. And choose which is the least. Right? That is the absolute minimum. Okay. Now we will discuss or we will solve the problems on absolute maxima and absolute minimum. So here the first question is, that is f of x is equal to x cube. Here x belongs to the interval, closed interval minus 2 comma 0. Okay, now so find f dash of x, so that is equal to 3x square, because the differentiation of differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Now we should substitute f dash of x equal to 0 to get the critical point. Therefore 0 is equal to 3x square. So this implies x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, what it represents? So it represents the critical point. Now we should find the functional values at this critical point also and find these end points also. Now here I will take at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, what is the functional value? F of x equal to x cube is there. So this implies f of 0 is equal to 0, right? Now I will take at x equal to how much? At x equal to minus 2 I should take minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to, what is the answer? Minus 2 whole cube is equal to minus of 8. And at x equal to 2, right? So f of 2 is equal to 2 cube, that is nothing but 8. So here we should observe, here we are getting the 3 functional values. This is the functional value at the critical point, and these are the 2 functional values of this given function and the end points. Now we should write the absolute maximum. You have to choose the maximum of all these. Maximum of all these is 8. So therefore your answer is this one, absolute maximum value. Absolute maximum value, that is equal to how much? 8 at x equal to 2. Okay, next. What is the minimum? Minimum is minus 8. So therefore your answer is absolute minimum value. Absolute minimum value, that is equal to minus 8 at x equal to minus of, right? So this is the procedure to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Okay. Now go to the second question. Second question is this one. So f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. So here what is the x belongs to the interval, closed interval 0 to pi. Again first you should find f dash of x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Okay. Now to get the critical point, put f dash of x equal to 0, 0 equal to cos x minus of sin x. Take this sin x to this side, so hence it is sin x divided by cos x, that is equal to what? 1. So what it becomes? Tan x equal to 1. So tan x equal to 1, it means that what is the value of x? X equal to clearly pi by 4. This belongs to the interval 0 to pi. Or here we write the general solution of the tan x, so that is x equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to the integer. By substituting the value of n, you are getting the points, right? So here I have taken only pi by 4 because this is the only critical point that belongs to this interval. Okay. So now what I have to, I should find the, so here I call this as a critical point. Now I should find the functional value at this point, also the including the end point. So here I will take at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, what is the functional value? F of 0 is equal to sin 0 plus cos 0, right? So sin 0 means 0, cos 0 means 1, so therefore answer is 1. Okay. Now at x equal to, here I will take at x equal to pi by 4, right? So f of pi by 4 is equal to, right? So replace the value of x by pi by 4, sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. So clearly here is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So therefore 2 by root 2, therefore answer is root 2. Okay, right. Now one more point is at x equal to pi, right? F of pi is equal to cos pi, right? plus, sorry, here is a sin pi, not a cos pi, sin pi plus cos pi. So sin pi means 0, sin of any pi equal to 0, 0 plus what is the cos pi? Cos pi means cos of odd pi, that is equal to -1, therefore your answer is minus of. Now choose which one is maximum. Clearly 2 is the maximum by comparing all the three values, so therefore your answer is absolute maximum value. Absolute maximum value, that is equal to root 2 at the point x equal to y by 4, right? Now which is the least? Least is -1, so absolute minimum value, value, right, that is equal to minus of 1 at x equal to, right, so this is the absolute maxima and absolute mean. Okay, next I will go to the third question. Okay, so third question here only I will solve, right? So it is f of x, so f of x equal to, they have given 4x minus 1 by 2 x square. This x belongs to this interval, closed interval, -2 comma 9 by 2. So first I will find f dash of x, so therefore 4. What is the differentiation of 4x is 4, minus 1 by 2 into, what is the differentiation of x square, that is 2x. So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So clearly here what we are getting, f dash of x equal to 4 minus of x. Now substitute the value of f dash of x equal to 0 to get the critical point. 0 is equal to what? 4 minus of x. So this implies x equal to 4. So here we are getting only one critical point that belongs to this interval. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find the functional values at this critical point also and also at the end point. So therefore here I will take at x equal to 4, I will take, right? So what is the functional value? That is 4x minus 1 by 2 x square. So f of 4, so 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2 into, so what is the value of x? X square. X square means 4 square, so clearly here we are into 16 minus 1 by 2 into 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are, so 16 minus 8, so therefore your answer is 8. Okay, right. Now we will take at x equal to how much? So here I will take at x equal to -2. Therefore at x equal to -2, f of -2 is equal to, so 4 into minus of 2 minus of 1 by 2 into -2 whole square. Okay, so simplify this one. So clearly here we are getting a -8 minus 1 by 2 into what? 4, right? So here 2 1s are, 2 2s are, so clearly -8 minus 2 means minus of 10. Okay, so next we'll find the critical, we'll find the functional value at end point, that is 9 by 2. So f of 9 by 2 is equal to 4 into 9 by 2, okay, minus of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into, that is x square. X square means 81 divided by 4. Okay, so now simplify. So here it is 2 1s are, 2 2s are, so therefore f of 9 by 2, that is equal to 2 into 9, that is 18 minus 81 divided by 8. So what is the LCM? F of 9 by 2 is equal to, LCM is 8. So clearly what we are getting, so 18 into 8 means, so here it is 144 minus of 81. So therefore f of 9 by 2 of 9 by 2 is equal to, here it is 63 divided by 8. Therefore your answer is 7.8 we are getting. Okay. Now here you should observe we are getting the three functional values, 8, -10 and 7.8. So here which one is more? So clearly 8 is more. So therefore absolute maximum value is 8 at point. The point is 4. Okay. So absolute minimum, which is the least? So absolute minimum value, that is equal to minus of 10 at x equal to minus of. So this is about absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. Okay, next question is this one. Find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by p of x equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square, right? So here in this problem we should find the maximum profit of a company, right? The profit function they have given in the form of p of x, right? So to find the maximum or minimum value of any function, we are using the second derivative test. So first we will substitute f dash of x equal to 0 to get the critical point. After to check the maximum of a function, we are checking if f dash of x less than 0, then that function is having maximum value. If f dash of x that is more than 0, then that function is having a minimum value, right? So here also we have to find the maximum profit of this company by using the second derivative test. So here what they have given, so they have given p of x equal to, they have given, so that is a 41 minus 72x minus of 18x square they have given. Okay, right. Now I will differentiate this function p dash of x equal to, this is a 0 minus 72 minus of 36x, because differentiation of 41 is 0, differentiation of 72x is 72, this one. Again now I will substitute p dash of x equal to 0 to get the critical point. So therefore this 0 is equal to minus of 72 minus of 36x. Take this minus 72 to this side, 72 is equal to minus of 36x, right? Or x equal to 72 divided by minus of 36 means, so clearly x equal to minus 2, so this is called a critical point. Okay, now we should show or we should find the maximum profit. So to find the maximum profit, first we should check the second derivative test whether it is less than 0 or more than 0. So therefore here p dash of x is there, p dash of x is equal to how much? So minus of 72 minus of 36x. So second derivative is p double dash of x equal to 0 minus of 36, because differentiation of 72 is 0, differentiation of 36x, that is 36. Therefore p double dash of x equal to minus of 36, which is less than 0. Which is less than 0 means, so clearly we write p of x as a maximum value, or p of x as a maximum, right? So now we should find the maximum value, or we should find the profit of that company. So that should be maximum. For that we should substitute this critical point in the given profit function. So therefore here I will take at x equal to how much? Minus 2. P of x is, this is a p of x, so that is a 41 minus 72x minus of 36x square is there. Okay, now take or put x equal to minus 2, 41 minus of 72 into minus of 2, and here it is minus 36 into 2 square. 2 square minus 2 whole square means 4. So therefore clearly it is a p of minus 2, and 41 minus into minus plus, so clearly it is a 144, and here it is. So here it is. So here it is a 4 3 is a 12. Sorry, here we have to take 36 into 4. So here it is a 144. So sorry, here we have done the mistake. So 41 minus sorry, here not a 36, here we should take, that is a 80, right? So here it is a 80 into x square. X square means minus of 2. So here it is a minus of 2 whole square. Sorry, here it is, and right, minus 2 whole square. Okay, right. So here what we are getting, 18 into 4 we are getting. Okay, right. So 18 into 4 means so that is equal to how much? 72. So therefore here it is 72. So clearly P of minus 2 is equal to 185 minus of 72. So therefore P of minus 2 is equal to 130. Right? So here we are getting so 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus of 7 is 1, and here it is 130. So it means that the maximum profit of this company, that is equal to 130. Now we are finding the maximum profit of this function by using the second derivative test. Okay. Okay, next question is, seventh question. Find both maximum value and minimum value of this function on the interval, closed interval 0, 3. So here you should observe, we should find the both maximum value and also minimum value. So here they are given the interval. So we should find the maximum value and the minimum value in this interval. So in this interval means we have to include the endpoints also. So we already know that to find the absolute maxima and absolute minima, we are using the functional values at the endpoints also. So for this function also, we should find the absolute maxima and absolute minima due to this interval. Okay, right. So for this here, first I will take f of x. So f of x equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. Now differentiating this, here we are getting f dash of x is equal to, right? So here it is 4 into x4 means x to the power 4 means so clearly here it is 12x cube minus, so here it is 24x square plus 24x minus 48 plus the differentiation of 25 is 0. Okay, right. Now here differentiation of x raised to 4 is x cube, differentiation of x cube is x square, differentiation of x square is 2x, and differentiation of 48x is 48. Right? Again I have multiplied the terms, so now I got this function. Now to get the critical point, again I should substitute f dash of x equal to 0. 0 is equal to, so here 12x cube, right? Sorry, 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus of 48. Okay, right. So again here I should take 12 outside. So for each term I will take the 48 outside. So here it is x cube minus of 2x square plus 2x minus of 4. Okay, right. So take this 12 to this side. So here we are getting x cube minus 12 2x square plus 2x minus of 4. Now simplifying this one. So here take x square outside. So here we are getting x minus of 2. And here take 2 outside. So again here we are getting x minus of. Okay. Now 0 is equal to, here we are getting x square plus 2. And here we are getting x minus of. Again either here and right. So again here either x square plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. Is it right? Now x square is equal to minus 2 or x equal to root of minus 2 clearly does not belong to set of real number, because here we are getting the root of negative number. Root of negative number means that is a complex number that does not belong to R. Now we will take this root. For this root, what you are getting x equal to 2 you are getting. X equal to 2 means this is a real number. That number is lies between 0 closed interval 0 to 3. So therefore here we are getting only one critical point, that is x equal to This is the only one critical point. Okay, right. Now we should find the functional values at x equal to 2 and also at the end point. So first I will take at x equal to 0, right? So at x equal to 0, what is the functional value? So clearly f of 0 that becomes, here it is, otherwise here I will write. So what is the functional value? F of x is equal to this one, 3x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25 they given. Now for the value of x equal to 0, what you are getting? So clearly all these term becomes 0. So here we are getting only f of 0 is equal to how much? 25. Okay, right. Now we should find the critical. Now we should find the functional value at x equal to 2. So therefore here I will take at x is equal to 2. Okay. So substitute the value of x that is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 3 into 2 raised to 4 minus 8 into 2 cube plus 12 into 2 square, 12 into 2 square minus of 48 into 2 plus 25. Okay. Now I will simplify this one. So what are getting? 2 raised to 4 means 16. 16 into 3 means, so here it is 48 minus of, here it is 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. 8 into 8 means, so clearly here it is 64 plus 2 square means 4. 4 into 12 means that is equal to 48 minus of 96 plus 25. Here you should observe this minus 96 is there, 48 plus 48, 96. This plus 96 will get cancelled with the minus 96. So clearly this term will get cancelled. And here it is minus 64 and here it is plus 25. So therefore f of 2 is equal to minus of 30, minus of 39. Okay. Now we should find the functional value at x is equal to, one more point is 3. So therefore f of 3 is equal to, so 3 into 3 raised to 4, right? Minus 8 into 3 cube, right? Plus 12 into 3 square minus 48 into 3 plus 25. Okay, so we will simplify this one. So here substituting at x equal to 3, right? F of 3 is equal to, here it is 243 and here it is 3 cube. 3 cube means it is 27. 27 into 8 means 216 plus here it is 3 square. 3 square means 9. 9 into 12 means, so clearly it is 108 and so clearly here it is 144. So and here it is 25. So here 48 into 3. So clearly here it is 144. Okay, right. So now we should simplify this one. Suppose if we add all this, 243, 108 and 25. So here we are getting 376 minus of 216 minus 144. So here we are getting a minus of 360. So therefore f of 3 is equal to, here we are getting a 16. Okay, right. So now you are getting the three functional values, 25 minus 39 and 16. Now you should choose the maximum value. So maximum value in this interval means you should write the absolute maximum value. So therefore absolute maximum value, absolute maximum value, that is equal to 25. Sorry, that is equal to how much? 25 at x equal to 0. And similarly absolute minimum value, absolute minimum value, that is equal to minus of 39 at x equal to which point, that one is equal to, so this is the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. Okay. Okay. The next question is question number 8. At what points in the interval, in the closed interval 0 comma 2 pi, does the function sin 2x attains its maximum value, right? So which function they have given? The given function f of x equal to sin 2x they have given. So this is the given function. So for this function we should find the maximum value. Maximum value in which interval? In this interval. So here they have given the closed interval. Closed interval 0 comma 2 pi they have given, right? So closed interval means clearly we should find the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. So because we have to find the maximum value at the end points means we should use the absolute maxima and absolute minima. So for this function also we should find the absolute maximum value. So for this, first given function is f of x equal to sin 2x. Differentiate this. So here we are getting f dash of x equal to cos 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2. So therefore f dash of x is equal to what you are getting? 2 cos 2x you are getting. Okay. Right. Now to get the critical point, we should substitute the value of f dash of x equal to 0. 0 is equal to how much? 2 cos 2x. Okay. Now take this 2 to this side. So here what you are getting? Cos 2x equal to 0 you are getting. Okay. So here you should observe what is the value of cos 2x? Cos 2x is equal to 0. It means that cos function attains its value 0 only at the odd integral multiple of pi by 2, right? So here cos 2x equal to 0 means cos of odd pi by 2. Cos of odd pi by 2, that is equal to 0. For example, to get the cos x equal to 0, we should substitute here cos of odd pi by 2. So they are pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. For all these values, cos x gives the 0. So or here we will take 2x. So 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So here n belongs to z. Suppose here we should substitute n equal to 0. What you are getting? 2x equal to pi by 2 you are getting. So therefore 2x, so here I will take, so n equal to 0 I will take. So what is the value? 2x is equal to what? 0 plus pi by 2 means, so clearly you are getting 2x equal to pi by 2. So take this 2 to this side. So here what you are getting? X equal to pi by 4. Similarly, if n equal to 1, so 2x equal to, this is a 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 means, so clearly what is the value of x? So here it is 3 pi by 4. Similarly, to x equal to, we are getting 5 pi by 2. Okay, so then x equal to how much? 5 pi by 4. Similarly, if you substitute n equal to 3, then what you are getting? So here it is 6 plus 1 7. So therefore, to x equal to 7 pi by 2. This means that x equal to 7 pi by 4. So similarly, we are getting the critical points like this. Similarly, if you substitute n equal to 4, then what you are getting? So you are getting, that is 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 2, right? So take this to this side, then x equal to clearly 9 pi by 4. But 9 pi by 4, that does not belong to this interval. Okay, so therefore these are the only critical points. These critical points are belonging to this interval. So therefore, what are the critical points? So critical points are x equal to, this is pi by 4, x equal to 3 pi by 4, x equal to 5 pi by 4, right? And x equal to 7 pi by 4. Only these are the critical points that belongs to these intervals, right? Or here I am writing this belongs to this interval 0 to pi. Okay. Now we should find the functional values. All these critical points including the end point. So therefore, first here I will take at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0 means that is the end point. Okay. So what is the function? F of x equal to sine 2x. So therefore, what is the value of x? So that is equal to 0. So sine 2 into 0, sine 0 means 0. Okay. Now I will take at x equal to pi by 4. At x equal to pi by 4. So here f of pi by 4, f of pi by 4 equal to sine of 2 into pi by 4. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 90. So here you are getting 1. Okay, next. So at x equal to next at x equal to 3 pi by 4, right? So f of 3 pi by 4. How we will write? Sine of 2 into 3 pi by 4 we will write. So here what you are getting? Sine 2 ones are 2 2's are answer. So clearly here you are getting sine of 3 pi by 2, right? So 3 pi by 2 we will write like this. So that is equal to sine of pi plus pi by 2. Is it right? Pi plus pi by 2 means 3 pi by 2. So again here it is pi plus theta. So here it is even pi by 2. Even pi by 2 means ratio same. So that is sine of pi by 2. And pi plus pi by 2 means so clearly that is a third quadrant. Third quadrant that is the sign is a negative. So therefore here what you are getting minus, that is equal to minus of 1. Okay. Now we will take at x equal to pi by 4. At x equal to pi by 4. So that is pi by 4. So how we will write like this? So sine of 2 into pi by 4. Again here it is sine of, so pi by 2. Okay. Again simplification, sine of we will write like this 2 pi plus pi by 2. Is it right? 2 pi plus pi by 2 means it is a even pi by 2. Ratio becomes same. So clearly it is a sine pi by 2 and 2 pi plus pi by 2 means first quadrant. First quadrant sign is positive, therefore its answer is 1. Okay. So next we will take at x equal to 7 pi by 4. Okay. So clearly f of 7 pi by 4. So what is the answer? Sine of 2 into 7 pi by 4. That is equal to sine of, here it is 7 pi by 2. So therefore clearly here we are getting the minus of 1. So therefore again one more point, it is x equal to what? 0. Sorry, x equal to 2 pi. So x equal to 2 pi sine of f of 2 pi is sine of 2 into, so 2 into, sorry, 2 into x. What is the value of x? That is equal to 2 pi. Therefore 2 pi means so clearly sine of 4 pi we are getting. Sine of any pi is equal to what? 0. Right? Now after substituting all these critical points, here we are getting the values 0. Here it is 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 and 0. Now you have to write the maximum. In this interval means absolute maximum, you have to write which one is a maximum. So clearly 1 is a maximum. So therefore we will write the absolute maximum value. Absolute maximum value. Absolute maximum value, that is equal to 1. At how many points? So that is x equal to pi by 4 also 1, and also at x equal to, that is pi by 4. So in this point, the given function f of x equal to sine 2x is the maximum. And similarly, we will write the absolute minimum value, that is equal to minus 1 at the given critical points. Okay. Okay. The next question is, that is question number 11. It is given that at x equal to 1, the function x raised to 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval, closed interval 0, 2, then find the value of a. So for this function, we should find the value of a. So therefore, so which function they have given? They have given f of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 they have given. Okay. So this function already what they have given, this function attains its maximum value at x equal to 1. We already know that. So if a given function attains its maximum value only at the critical points. So for example, if it is a given function is like this, so this is the point C1. So x equal to C1, it is a critical, it is a point of the local maxima or local minima. So at this point, this function attains its maximum value, means at this point, if you take the f dash of this point, that gives the 0. It means that at this point, the function is attains its maximum value, means so clearly it is a critical point and its derivative becomes 0. So in this problem also they have given what they have given. So they have given f dash of 1 equal to 0. They have given f dash of 1 equal to 0. It means that the given function f of x attains its maximum value at the point x equal to 1. So at this point the function is attains its maximum